Thieth ne oganda mawuok e county no kama nyaka gisani ni endi county no osetieko kanyo gedo mag ute thieth maromo kanyo 26 mago mag level 3 kod 6 mamoko mago mag level 4. Kaka chenro makamano endo bende oneno kanyo koni mashinde ma opogore manyalo romo kanyo menda siling milion 500 bende ochwale ute thieth ma opogore mag timo pimo mag tuoche ma opogore. Ka gavana ma county no ma Kiambu mano kanyo moluor Kimani wa Matangi yango kanyo konyo kang makamano en mano endo mar neno ni gibero sekta mar thieth e county endo ma Kiambu ka chiel kod duoko chien kwan oganda mathoro dhi nwango thieth ute thieth mag ji giwegi.
To invest under my vision that we must have at least a level 3 facility in every ward. We have upgraded dispensaries that are at the level or at the level before where you would only go to get your prescriptions from a window. What would we call dispensaries? The walk-in, walk-out. We have upgraded 28 as of today.
Program that is that is set to have spend about 2.5 billion Kenya shillings to modernize existing hospital equipment and build and equip new facilities in areas that were previously underserved.
When we came in, we had almost a collapsed system of supply of medicines and infrastructure and non-pharmaceuticals. I'm sure wherever you go, the story is the same in the whole country. Hakuna dawa. That is the story we are changing in Kiambu. Every facility now you go, you find that at least there is a minimum of 85% of drugs.